I'm standing here looking at you and thinking, maybe you should join the developer's Telegram channel and subscribe. They'll appreciate it and you can follow the development of new games.
I don't really have to, but hello everybody, and thank you for seeing back again with another video. And today I am going to be playing a not so old game, but it's pretty popular still. Called SchoolBoy Runaway.
What are you looking at? Start!
It didn't have to. I'm gonna do easy because I'm a little bit of a wimp. And yes.
Let's go!
So, is there like a story? Hello? Oh, you're playing video games. Andre?
Mom, can I go play? My friend is here.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, all done.
Then show me your class journal.
Oh no, not this. Come on, can you just let me
Wait,
play?
what's that? An F?
No.
Teacher's note? Misbehaved in
No,
class?
that does not
Was
say
goofing
that.
off.
It says
And yet
it
you
says
want to
ju-
play
it says random
outside.
language.
You should be ashamed! Go study!
I
No
didn't
going out
have
for you!
to.
He's grounded today!
She just like
Watch out!
he's grounded today, and then
See you
immediately.
slicking around. I'll rough you up real good!
Is that a threat? Heck no.
I can't do what I don't like. I want to live freely.
Exactly. Don't worry, friend. I'm going to play. Wait, hold on. I just need to. Okay. It's easy. Just go out the door.
Darn it, the front door is locked. And Mom probably has the key.
Ah.
What an idiot!
Doorbell? The doorbell?
Wait a minute!
No, I've seen videos of this.
Huh?
Oh, God!
Grab the broom and get to it! I don't want a single speck of dust left!
This is not dust. These are leaves. These are leaves. Oh my God. Can't there be like a super easy baby mode? Like you have infinite lives? Or at least a practice mode? That word. I hate this mom. She literally spanks
What a
this
lazy
this
bum!
child abuse. I'm not even sure if I'm your biological son. I'm pretty sure that I'm adopted. You have black hair and I have brown hair. You're so tiny, I can't see.
Mess up again. It will be very bad for
That's
you.
it, I will. Now what? Hint? Bruh, what is he watching? Down in the comments. Alright, there's supposed to be like a little tiny. Wait, I'm going to open this so that I can be prepared. And there's a key in this space.
Who kicks like that?
Ticket.
Oops,
Is that noise coming from bedroom? I need to check.
I need to get back to my... I need to hide somewhere quickly. I hope I haven't forgotten anything.
So? Is it just me? Or...
Yeah, I didn't do nothing, right?
Who touched the vase?
The vase.
Well, you're getting the
cockroach!
Not here.
Just let me know where you are. Sitting in the closet.
No.
Knock, knock, knock! Who's there in the cabinet? Come on, get to it and make sure the floor shines.
How about I make sure your teeth shine because your breath looks nasty. I hate this mom so much. Guess this is why I want to run away.
See, you can do it! Why don't you always play like this? Ha 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 ha!
The exhaust hood.
Good job. Go to your room. I'll come check on you later.
Yeah. Like heck, I'm going to go to my room. I'm going to just unlock that. Open it.
I can't see a thing.
It's pretty dark. The sweeping pills.
Come on! Well!
Washing powder. Here. Put the washing powder back.
Oops! Someone wrote. I should check.
Don't fail on me now.
Is that noise coming from the bathroom?
No.
Wait a second.
What?
Is it just me or...
Stop! See, you can do it!
Nothing?
I must have imagined it.
Oh, looks like I made it.
That is done full.
How do you strike?
Wait.
I'm coming!
Where are you going? Ah!
What if I turn the exhaust? I need to create a smoke screen.
I'm studying.
Oh, damn! So
Who
much
digs
smoke!
like that?
Doggy has 4. Okay, what now? I should probably check in. Okay.
How do you strike? See, you can do it!
All right, I have to water the
That
plants.
team is full of idiots.
Hello.
I need to go pee.
Bad timing. That's okay, blue, green. Wait. Bad
Who
timing.
needs me there anyway? Hmm?
Red. Red. Orange. White.
Look. Oh, missed!
No! Blue. Blue.
I...
Oh wait. Red. Red. Orange. What? Oh, what happened? Okay, you know what? Doesn't matter. Just gonna have to.
Come on, pass, pass! Come on, come on!
Maybe it's a light bulb. Maybe it's the other way.
Where is the goalkeeper? Well, come on! What an idiot.
Right. I have to go water the plants.
How do you strike?
No.
See, you can do it! Why don't you always play like this? Ha 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 ha! Lie! Who kicks like that?
Okay. White, orange.
Something's pressing. I'll go to the toilet.
It's a key. Okay, no, no. Here.
How much longer?
Okay, this is very nice.
Where are you going?
Alright.
Ah!
Wait. It's 2025, right? Which means his birthday is 2002. He was born on 2002, so 1, 2. He's 23 years old. And he's still
Just
living in
kick the
city,
ball
right?
already! Who needs me there anyway? Hmm?
All right. I have to water the plants.
What is he even saying? Baby, who is writing to me? I don't understand.
What an idiot, huh?
I think it's best that you don't understand.
Oops! Someone wrote. I should check.
Actually, that might be a bad time if Mom comes back. See? She's coming back already.
Так.
Oh, sorry, I'm a little drunk. You know who are you, beauty? What the?
I'll go check who's writing to me. Who needs me there?
Wow, interesting proposal. What do you like to say, honey? I'll try to pee him off. I like to talk about movie, music, and how you spend your time together. Give me those sleeping pills. Give me. Sleeping pills. I can put them in Daddy's apple juice. Then I can drink them.
I need to go pee.
Okay, where else have I not explored? I haven't explored the kitchen yet. I'm literally on my last life. I cannot waste this on anything. I'm just waiting so that I can ring the doorbell. Now he's going?
Wait a minute!
Wait, this video might be long.
That team is full of idiots.
It's pretty scary.
Just kick the ball already! See, you can do it!
This is Russian. I'm not supposed to know.
I'm gonna lose it!
Oh, she's running.
I'll show you!
I heard that if you ring the doorbell enough times, she will try to go out off for them.
Not to him! Damn it.
Wait, let me look up. How do I do it?
I'm coming! Who's that brave out there?
Not me. I'm studying, see? I'm studying this impossible geometry. Wait, what do I do then if I... Oh, she will walk over to my friends and think that it's them.
I would show them how it's done.
Oh, she's angry.
Something's pressing. I will go to the toilet.
Okay, sorry that it's 30 minutes right now. But I'll just wait until he finishes peeing.
Right. Have to go water the plants.
Just gonna kind of try to find the phone. Okay, there. But is she watering the plants? No. No, you need to go inside. You need to get that little ugly face inside so that you can get Ding Dong ditched.
I would show them how it's done.
Three, two.
I'll show you. Just score already.
Okay. Just gotta.
Who's that brave out there?
It's totally not me. This might be a long time.
Here we go again.
She's dashing.
Well, and
No word. Even the doorbell is mocking me.
What does that even mean? Doorbell is mocking you. Don't poo-poo on me, birdie. Please do it. Please do. I want to escape.
not to him. Here we go again.
Brave out there!
Not me. I'm sorry, guys, but you might have to waste half an hour watching.
Come on.
How about don't water the plants? Don't water the plants. Because if you do, can't you just hop over the fence? Why isn't there a jumping mechanic in this game? No, nothing is pressing. Don't go to the toilet. Where did she go? Actually, where the heck did she go? Wait, it's 2015. Oh, so he's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 years old. This game is so raging, but it's so fun at the same time. Wait, what? How? Does she just immediately go outside of you? She does.
Even the doorbell is mocking me.
Come on, come on, come on, come on! Good job! Yes, you can do it! Show you!
My gosh. This is so... This might take forever, but it will be worth it if I can finally escape this house. I don't want to do homework. Homework sucks.
Forward! Come on, come on! How much longer?
No words. The doorbell is mocking me.
Well, 40 minutes. This is a new record. Well, you know what they say. Anyone who plays Schoolboy Runaway might be stuck here with viewers for the rest of their No, you don't. You don't need to water the plants. Come on. Can't I just play with Mr. Baldi and Mrs. his girl? They're not ugly like you. Where the heck is she? Why did it take you forever to come back home?
Come on! I'll show you!
No, don't go to the toilet, please. No, I'm so close.
Oh, baby.
Wait, I can almost see it. Is that a board? Or is that a hammer? Really, this is so slow. But it's a way to get out. Come on, man. Can't you just open the... Can't you just open the gate? She opened it. Run! Yes! I finally escaped! Bye. Let's go. I finally escaped. Oh. And I only need 3 more endings, but screw it. I got it. I finally escaped. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button. You have no idea how hard this was, and I will see all of you in